Let us now move to the installation ceremony. May I now request all outgoing club officers to please switch on your videos. Thank you. Let us give them a big round of virtual applause. Thank you for the work you have done this year. You are now discharged from all further duties and responsibilities as officers of Speak and Lead Toastmasters Club. Thank you. You may now switch off your videos. May I now request the incoming officers to please switch on your videos. Thank you. I'm here to install the officers of Speak and Lead Toastmasters Club and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life, to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity, and think creatively. I will ask each officer to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges he or she must meet and the responsibilities he or she must fulfill. After which, you need to confirm back by saying, I will. All right. Can I have Toastmaster Ahmed? Yes.
Yes.
I am passing on the gavel to you.
Okay.
Toastmaster Ahmed, as Surgeon at Arms, you are responsible for club property management, meeting room preparation, and hospitality. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Let us now move the gavel to our treasurer, Toastmaster Hitesh. Toastmaster Hitesh, as the treasurer, you are responsible for club financial policies, procedures, and controls. You will receive and disburse with the approval of this club all funds. Pay to Toastmaster International all financial obligations of this club as they come due, and keep an accurate account of all transactions. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you, Toastmaster Hitesh. Now let us pass the gavel to Toastmaster Rajan Babu, the secretary.
Yes.
Toastmaster Rajan Babu, as secretary, you are responsible for club records and correspondence. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rajan Babu. Let us now move to the VP PR, Madam Toastmaster Anaisha. Let's pass on the gavel. Madam Toastmaster Anaisha, as Vice President Public Relations, you are responsible for developing and directing a publicity program that informs individual members and general public about Toastmasters International. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Madam Toastmaster Mamta Anaisha. And now let's move to the VP membership. Madam Toastmaster Sara, let's pass on the gavel. Madam Toastmaster Sara Khan, as Vice President membership, you are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing a program that ensures individual member retention and growth in club individual membership. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Madam Toastmaster Sara. Now let us move to the VP Education. Let's pass on the gavel. Madam Toastmaster Chandana Singh, as Vice President Education, you are responsible for planning, organizing and directing a club program which meets the educational needs of the individual members. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you. Let us now move the gavel to our president, Toastmaster Sajid. Toastmaster Sajid, having been elected as the president of Speak and Lead Toastmasters Club, you are its chief executive officer and are expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your executive committee. It is your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district, and Toastmaster International to meet their goals. Please accept this gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. The gavel is a symbol of power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well, a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members with a common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club which everyone is proud of. Will you, as a president, accept this challenge and perform your duties to the best of your abilities?
I will, with pleasure.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sajid. Now, may I request all members to switch on your cameras, all members of the club. You can switch on your camera, but keep on mute, please. All right. The growth and development of Speak and Lead Toastmasters Club depends largely upon the action of this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year? We can just put a thumbs up and that's good enough. Thank you. And now you may all switch off your videos. Now, as I take each person's name, you can just switch on your video. I will just quickly finish the pinning process. And of course, we are not able to do a actual pinning for all our members, all our executive committee members, but we will do a virtual pinning. So let us start with the first person. We have Toastmaster Ahmed, who will be pinned. All right. So we have pinned Toastmaster Ahmed. We have the Secretary Toastmaster Rajan Babu, who will be pinned with the Secretary's pin. We have the Treasurer Toastmaster Hitesh, who will be pinned with the Treasurer's pin. VP Public Relation Madam Toastmaster Anaisha will be pinned with the Vice President Public Relationship pin. VP Membership Madam Toastmaster Sara will be pinned with the Vice President Membership pin. Vice President Education Madam Toastmaster Chandana will be pinned with the Vice President Education pin. Now I request the newly installed club president and immediate past president to switch on their videos. All right. Toastmaster Madan, as immediate past president of Speak and Lead Toastmasters Club, will you offer the president's pin to Toastmaster Sajid as a symbol of his dedication and service?
Yes, of course.
So Toastmaster Madan has pinned Toastmaster Sajid. And now, Toastmaster Sajid, as president of Speak and Lead Toastmasters Club, will you offer the past president's pin to Toastmaster Madan for his dedication and service?
Definitely yes.
So let us have Sajid pinning the past president's pin on Toastmaster Madan. Thank you, one and all, and we have completed the installation ceremony and the pinning ceremony.